Wait, why are you so late?
I'm sorry. There's a traffic and I can't find any parking space.
It's okay, just go back to your seat.
Oh, come on! I'm going to be so late!
Oh, hi! Yeah, there's a traffic on Green Street, but I got here like 15 minutes early. Yeah, because I ride my bike today. Alright, see ya!
Hello everyone.
Hi.
How are you today?
A new study by the European Cyclists Federation offers an in-depth comparison between the carbon dioxide emissions of bicycling versus other modes of transportation. When the complete life cycle of each mode is calculated, here's how they stack up. The amount of carbon dioxide emissions of bicycling is 56 grams per passenger per kilometer traveled. The amount of carbon dioxide emissions of taking public bus is 95 grams per passenger per kilometer traveled. The amount of carbon dioxide emissions of driving a car is 229 grams per passenger per kilometer traveled. Therefore, driving a car around is the least green way to go to class, not to mention all the other downsides of driving cars. You have to pay for fuel, maintenance, parking, and all sorts of expenses. We strongly recommend walking, riding bicycles, and taking MTDs around campus. And you can even take your bicycle for a bus ride if you are tired. The local air quality of Champaign is good right now. Let's keep up the good work and create an environmentally friendly campus. Go green!